So you had me bite through the bullet. I won't play a second fiddle with you. You look away just when they pull it. You gotta step up, yeah, you miss your cue. Ooh, ooh, your time is up now. I'm no fool. I know what you are up to. Keep things cool, but it won't help you this time. This time. This time. No, no. This time, yeah. This time, no, no.
Alright guys, so we just got done handing over the check to the Splashpad committee from Southwest Initiative Foundation. They donated the $3,000. If any of you guys want to know more a little bit about Southwest Initiative Foundation, what they do, I'll put a link down below in the description. But I am one of the emerging leaders cabinet, and there's a few of us in there. I've been working with Southwest Initiative for a few years now, guys. They actually helped Amy and I acquire the laundromat here in Jackson, Minnesota. They came into play and helped us with some finance and loans, and you know, and the business education. Or a bunch of us cabinet leaders, we were given the opportunity to pick where our money, our donation would go into our community. And we've been working on the project for a while now, or on that for a while, and then finally we got the donations and where we wanted to put our money into the community. So I chose the Splashpad, the Splashpad here in Jackson. The community lacks that a place to go where it's free and doesn't cost anything, and the kids and the family and just everybody can go to a place and have fun and enjoy the outdoors and gathering together. And you know, the kids get to interact with other kids and socialize. You know, that's one thing that we didn't have growing up, was a place to just do things. And you know, and when you have places to do things, and a place where you can go and take the family and the kids, and you know, it's just, it helps, and it just builds the community and the kids, you know, interaction. And so it's more of a personal, on a personal level. That's why I chose it.
Hello, Daily Hustle friends. I'm Sharon Henning.
And I'm Jen Tavis.
And we are part of the Splash and Jackson Steering Committee, and we are very excited to give you a quick update on where we're at with our project. So we are trying to build a splash pad here in Jackson. It'll be about a 2,000 square foot splash pad right here in this spot where our thermometer is. In addition to the splash pad, we are also renovating the bathrooms down here at Alberta's Field. And currently we are at about $193,000 of our $300,000.
Yeah, we started
last August.
Yep,
with
not
our
quite a
fundraising.
year ago.
Okay.
And the initial goal was to have it done in 1 year, and we didn't quite make it, so we're going to aim for getting done this winter so that we can hopefully build next summer.
Okay. So is this area?
Yep. It's awesome property because it's all like not developed, and great with location with the trails.
Right.
And then also the ball fields and a shelter house over there.
Eventually there'll be the bike trailhead right on the other side of the bathrooms too, so people on the trails will be able to start there, use this parking lot and such, and then we'll have traffic that way. There will be some dirt work that will be starting here probably in the next, well, sometime in the next year, and then it'll expand out on the other side of you there a little bit to bring that up a little. A lot of people in the community have concerns because every spring this whole ball field floods. So if you can kind of tell from where we're standing versus where the ball fields are, our elevation is quite a bit higher, so this area itself will not be flooded.
Okay.
So.
All right, guys. So there it is. Swift Southwest Initiative Foundation donated $3,000 to the project. So yeah, hope to get it up and going, and the community can enjoy it. So
very excited to bring another amenity here to Jacksonville.
Yeah.
And there's still time to donate.
I'll put a link down below, you guys, for the Facebook link. So if you want to make a donation, go there and click on the link, and
it's tax deductible.
Tax deductible.
Yep.
That link should get them where they need to go.
Yep. It has information on our status of our fundraising, upcoming fundraisers that we're doing. It has information on recent donations. So it kind of is your one spot to learn more about the project and where we're at.
Okay. So you guys, it helps. A little donation. Everything helps.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Make sure you guys go and check that out, and if you can, contribute a little bit, and we'll make this project happen. All right.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem. So we are here back in Windham. We've got a small job we got to do with removing the concrete steps, and I met Daryl here through Facebook and landed some jobs here. And so, Daryl,
hello.
How did we meet?
I've been watching your YouTube videos and everything, and had a rough winter, and so I watched a lot of your YouTube videos and stuff, and I like your inspiration, and it helped me get back on my feet again and working. Yep.
Yeah. So it was weird. We were working here in Windham and finishing up that project, the landscaping project we did, and Daryl messages me, and I didn't know he was a contractor as well here in Windham. And so, you know, you had some work, some concrete work here, and he asked if we'd do it since we were already here, and then we got the equipment. And so we're gonna take out that, and you are gonna replace it with,
we're gonna put a synthetic deck on here, and I'm gonna have Champ put some auger some footing holes for us for the deck. So we're pretty excited.
Yeah, I'm excited. The internet has just connected everybody together.
Yep.
In a way where we're working together.
Right. It just I know you knew Jake and Lee Holt, and they used to work with me, and so they kind of connected me to you. You know, told me to watch, and so it's kind of gone from there. Okay,
so Kaylee's our model, a Daily Hustle model, one of the first Daily Hustle model.
I'm doing my locations as to where we're going to be
putting the posts.
Posts in, and we're going to be removing this whole deck. It doesn't, it's not code compliant, and they want to have something that's maintenance free. So and so we'll be bringing the MT85 in, you guys, later, but I'll definitely show you guys some of the footage on that. We're gonna dig them post holes here. Check this out though, guys. Look at this thing. So explain what that is. This is actually it's a model off of a Japanese toolbox. And what it is, it's a wedge that you remove, and then the lid slips off.
And check this out, guys. Look at this. Look at that, you guys. Look at it. It even has Hustle on it. That is neat. And then you got your engraved.
Yep.
How'd you get that?
I had a jeweler in town. He engraved those for me. So
this is designed by Daryl Ray. That is neat, Daryl. Look at that.
It's the key to the Hustle success.
Dropping off the skid, you guys, here. Right there. Brought the skid over. And then once we get the jackhammer attachment on it, then we're going to start removing them steps. And then once we get the steps removed, then we're going to start doing them holes, post holes for Daryl there. So that's why we're back again. We just finished up that project, the big landscaping project we had, and we're just fighting. You know, the weather, it rained. Did it rain here?
Yep.
Rained here a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. But
yeah, it's not much, but
there's enough to delay things.
Yeah, so all right guys, so yeah,